cuts too deep. A voice inside me mocks, you're not enough to keep. No answer comes, just silence dark and wide. Where hope once lived, now shame and fear reside. Want you to believe, want you to believe. I wake each day to climb what feels like air. My legs won't move, too frozen by despair. The voice repeats, don't try, you'll only fall. And every echo builds another wall. Oh, the words I dread to hear, they echo in my soul, like whispers made of poison, taking steady toll. A cold wind rises, turns my dreams to stone, and every thought reminds me I'm alone. They'll tell you no second chances, just this heavy gray. Don't dare to fail, the whispers always say. If you try, you'll only prove them right. So I just freeze instead of fight. They say go fast together, but I lag behind. Too tired to keep up with their idea of kind. I carry ghosts of every word I swallowed, each one sharp, each one hollow. Oh, the words I dread to hear, they echo in my soul, like whispers made of poison, taking steady toll. A cold wind rises, turns my dreams to stone, and every thought reminds me I'm alone. The world expects me smiling light and clear, but I can't fake the joy I'm told to mirror. Don't be too much, don't be too sad. I hear it all, I just feel bad. Don't speak your truth, the old voice always says. Just be quiet, get through the days. I used to dream, but dreams turn to dust. And now I question even love and trust. Oh, the words I dread to hear, they echo in my soul, like whispers made of poison, taking steady toll. A cold wind rises, turns my dreams to stone, and every thought reminds me I'm alone. just watch them, the ones who sing and the ones who don't. I see them cry, then blame the world for pain. They talk of light, but always run from rain. They think they're strong, but break with every fall. I barely touch them, and still they call it cruel at all. I see the others. They feel heavy. They drag their wounds like trophies no one asked to see, pretending every scar was carved by someone like me. But they were slow, too soft to face the fire. I merely showed them what their dreams require. The kind ones, dreamers always out of breath. They chase illusions, never fearing death. The cold ones, like me, we stand our ground. We speak what's real, no matter how it sounds. You call it cruel, I call it clarity. I carry guilt that doesn't match my shame. You made this mess, you own the fall. Your truth is twisted, I recall it all. You bend the truth, you cherry pick the pain. But I remember sun behind the rain. You'll never rise, you're too far gone. Watch me try, I won't be a pawn. You're nothing without, just lost and blind. Then let me be lost, I'll still find my mind. There is a war inside the soul, one voice to break, one voice to make whole. A choice still lives within your breath, to cling to lies or rise from death. Stay silent, stay small. No, I will not fall. You'll miss what you were. I was never young. I see the voice that tore me through, but I choose a different truth. The way you speak to you, it shapes your fate. Reject the voice that taught you hate. If you sow kindness, light will surely grow. If you sow harshness, bitter winds will blow. Silence where no echoes play, I see the worlds your thoughts have built each day. Not brick or stone, but word and breath and flame. And none who suffer leave this place the same. You are the makers, though you often forget. some feed the seed of fear and wonder why no light is drawing near. But I have seen the ones who choose to heal. Their whispered words become a turning wheel. The grand design, the joy, the quiet ache is drawn from thoughts you let the silence take. You're in a world, the roots beneath your feet becomes the life you gather and repeat. So speak with care, each sentence leaves a mark. Your mind's a forge, your voice the hidden spark. Despair will echo if that's what you rehearse. But hope, when planted, reshapes every curse. You are not broken, you are not erased, but you must build the future you will face. The grand design, the joy, the quiet ache is born of words the soul itself will make. Your whispered truth becomes the sky you see. So speak with love and choose who you will be. Hear me, all of you, this is the core. The way you speak to you in thought and breath and light becomes the shape of day, the color of your night. If you sow kindness, light will surely grow. If you sow harshness, bitter winds will blow. It's just the words you choose that truly make the way. Choose the good ones every single day.